Hello everyone, welcome back. It's Ron and I got another video for you. So let's do a little housekeeping right quick. Go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button and that notification to get all the updates on all the videos. And also, everyone that's in this video is presumed innocent until proven guilty in the court of law only. Now on 7/12 of 2023 in Pasco County, Florida, there was a captain that was on a Boston whaler at a boat ramp, and he was getting the safety inspection done by the FWC, and it didn't turn out too well for him. He developed a little attitude, so let's go ahead and take a look at it.
I will.
Okay. I don't want to hold you up. You can grab it if you need it.
I can, thank you.
All right. Well, tell you what, just grab me one life jacket. I see the Type 4 throwable. This individual that is blocking you, he's actually on his way out. He's not on his way in. So you're actually in his way.
You know what? Don't antagonize me. What's your name, Doc? Okay, what's your badge?
We don't have badge numbers.
You don't have numbers?
No.
Okay, but do me a favor. Don't antagonize.
Antagonize you?
No.
What did you just say to me?
I just said it was a courtesy.
A courtesy to you or to that individual?
To anybody coming in and using this boat launch.
You're coming in, he's going out.
Hey. Oh.
We're not done. Do you have a sound producing device?
You don't have to have my permission.
Do you have to have a sound? Do you have a sound producing device for the vessel?
Did you hear me?
I did. I know I didn't hear you. What'd you say?
I said you only need my permission to do so.
I need your permission to conduct an inspection.
Yes.
Do you have the sound producing device for the vessel, sir?
I do.
Are you going to show it to me?
Why?
Because I'm conducting an inspection.
You're not conducting an inspection because I don't allow you. Okay?
You don't allow it?
No.
All right. So I tell you what, we can do this the easy way or we can do it the hard way.
No, here, wait a minute.
I'm conducting a simple inspection, sir, and you're making it very difficult.
Making you what?
I said I'm conducting a simple inspection and you're making it very difficult.
No.
Are you refusing?
You need my permission to inspect this vessel.
I do
Am
not.
I right? Is that a law?
That is incorrect.
That is a law.
That is incorrect.
You need my permission.
You do not. I do
Oh,
not
yeah?
need your permission to
Let's
conduct
go
an
get
inspection.
Your superior. Go
I don't
get
need
your
my
sergeant.
superior.
I do. I do now.
Sir, you are going to turn this in to
Yes,
you going
you
to
are.
jail.
Oh, I'm going to jail?
Yes.
Because I won't let you inspect my vessel? Get the fuck away from me.
I'm
Now.
not getting away from you.
Get away from me.
Sir, if you do not show me the items that I'm asking for, then I'm going to charge you for interference with an FWC officer. Do you understand? I said, sir, do you understand what I'm saying? You're calling 911?
Yep.
Okay. You're calling another law enforcement officer to
You're
come
not
help
a law
another?
enforcement.
I'm not?
You're Florida wildlife.
Yeah, state law enforcement. Let me show you here.
You don't have any signal.
You don't have signal here? All right, sir, I'm going to give you one more chance because I see that you're frustrated.
Fuck you one more chance. You're an asshole.
I'm an asshole?
Yeah, you are.
Okay, so are you pulling it out to show it to me now?
My flare kits.
All right, let me see those.
There's my air horn.
Let me see that there.
You can't see it. Right there. See it?
Let me see it, sir.
Why?
I got to see if it's operational.
I'm not having you use it because once you use it, it goes bad.
Do you have a horn on the vessel?
It doesn't work.
Let me see the sound producing device.
Give me back my flares.
Let me see the sound producing device to see if it works. Do you have any fish or wildlife on board, sir? Sir, do you have the back here? Hey, sir, is there any fish and wildlife on the vessel?
Just bait.
Just bait?
Yep.
You mind if I take a look?
You know what? I am definitely going to file a report. See nothing.
Let me.
Yeah,
I didn't see in there, sir.
What? what?
I couldn't see.
See what?
I couldn't see in the cooler.
And you will be filed.
Okay. Yeah, you can do that. I'll even give you the proper number. I'm taking a look in the cooler.
Hey, East.
Where's the bait you said you had?
Right here.
Okay, let me take a look at that. Oh, okay, right here. All right, well, I appreciate it. If you want to go ahead and pull it out, sir, you can. I'll be back to address the flare issue, okay? Do you have any questions for me? No?
I lost my keys. Right?
Keys to your vehicle? All right. I'll be back in just a minute. If you need me to call somebody for you, I can.
I don't need any.
How you doing?
You had the registration in your hand.
Hey, sir, are you the registered owner of that vessel?
You had the registration in your hand.
Well, I'm just asking you.
Sarah, notice me once. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. You have every right to record us.
Okay.
We're recording you too, so that's good. Yeah, it's just gonna take 1 second. He's gonna print this out. So if you just want to wait in the AC, and we'll bring it to you.
What's printing out?
A warning,
For what?
not
For my
having
flares?
not having a whistle or a horn.
Oh, I showed him the whistle and horn. I got it on video.
Okay.
And I plan on filing a complaint against this guy.
Okay.
C-O-C-K-E? Is that
Yes,
his name?
yes, sir.
Okay.
And I'm Cason,
Jason, I saw you.
C-A-S-O-N.
And you know how he got pissed off? Excuse my French. But when you were doing that inspection on the boat and on the ramp, I said, you know, it might be nicer if you guys did this up on the shore instead of on the boat launch. And that's when he went off. So, just so that you know that when I filed that complaint, there's nothing to do with you. You were perfect. I watched you talk and interact with that other guy. Very
Okay.
nice.
All
But
right.
this
Well,
idiot,
we're gonna try to get this going as quickly as possible.
look, he's just sitting there.
No, he's typing.
I know it is.
Yeah, it takes a little while to do these.
And he got on my vessel. Is that, you guys can just walk on a vessel?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay, I'll be over to check on that.
Okay.
For sure.
I'm positive.
Oh, okay, I'm asking you because you should probably know the law better than I do.
Right.
Okay. But like I said, he didn't need that. He really didn't. I was just being cordial. Look. I'm not waiting. And
I think something might have happened because this is my printer and he's trying to use his printer.
Hey, sir, do me a favor. Set your phone down. Yeah. I'm detaining you. You're being charged criminally.
Don't touch me. For
You're
what?
being charged criminally for
Don't touch
interference with an FWC officer. Sir, do not pull away from
I'm
me.
not. You're pushing me. How can I pull away from you?
Do not resist me. Set this down.
Ma'am, no, I'm not setting it down.
Set the phone down
No.
and stop resisting.
I'm not resisting. If you keep...
Sir, listen to me very carefully.
No, you listen to me very carefully. For what?
Stop resisting. Stop resisting. I'm not messing around with you, sir.
You're kidding me.
This could have been really easy, but now you're going to jail.
Well, and you got the biggest lawsuit you ever saw. Thank you. Ow, that hurts. Loosen it up.
All right, go ahead, put your knee out in front of you. Get your knee out in front of you. And roll over, okay, on your knees. All right, ready to go. You set? Go ahead.
No, you hurt me.
Put your foot out in front of you. You all right? On 3, ready? You ready? If you need a second, I'll give you a second. I just don't want you sitting in the street.
You put me there.
Well, I'm trying to get you out.
You put me here.
You ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh, these are really tight.
All right, we'll fix it here in a second.
All right, listen.
Listen to me very carefully. You're pulling away from me again.
I'm not pulling away from you.
Sir, please stop resisting me.
I am not resisting you.
You are. I can feel you right now pulling away from me.
I'm trying. This
Put
hurts on my arm.
Hey, cancel them.
No. No, please don't. You walked away when I was supposed to get a citation.
7266. I'm 10-4. You can cancel responding unit.
Didn't you? Huh?
We had an officer tell you to stay put.
Oh, really? Let's see what the video says.
Can you grab this, Kristen?
This hurts.
Chuck it in the back. I'll fix it in just a second. All right, which one hurts? See if I can.
The left one. Both of them hurt. Cranked out hard enough on them.
The left one's fine.
It is not. It hurts. It's on the bone. Fuck.
All right, hold on. Let me see if I can loosen it up. It's pretty loose.
It is not loose. Ow! What is the matter with you? Why can't you loosen that and get it off my bone and put it on the wrist? Idiot.
Is that better?
Yeah.
All right. When you sit on them, they might make them tight. But if you want, I can double lock them real quick. Just take another second so you don't sit on them and make them tighter. Hurt your
What are
wrist.
you going to do with my car?
I'm going to have it towed unless you have somebody that could come pick it up. But we can do that. You have somebody?
Yeah.
Okay. Go ahead. I'll get with you. I'll get somebody to come get it. No, I'm good.
I hope you got where he threw me on the ground on video.
Yeah, I'm 10-4.
Did you? Oh, good. Okay.
No, Officer Casey.
Because he's pushing me back, telling me I'm resisting.
All right, I was a little
I
tense,
don't mean
sorry.
to involve you. I apologize.
All right, thanks. Okay, you could sit tight. I'll get the AC pumping, and then if you give me somebody's number to call, I'll have them come get
I
it.
need my phone. I need to see who to call.
All right. Just sit tight. Let me get the AC going. I'll set your phone on your lap, and then I'll have you call somebody. Okay? If they get tighter, I'll loosen them.
It's on SOS. Can you take it off SOS?
Let me see.
Slide it up.
Cancel. There you go. Why did dispatch get involved?
You probably called the sheriff's office. I just figured that out.
Ah, okay. I'm going to go ahead and start the paperwork, and I'll talk to him, and then and see if I can get somebody to come get his stuff, and then I'm just going to take him down to jail for the interview.
I didn't. What, for what? Don't touch me. For what? Don't touch me. I'm not. You're pushing me. How can I pull away from you? Ma'am, no, I'm not setting it down.
Set the phone down
No.
and stop resisting.
I'm not
Stop.
resisting. If you keep.
Sir, listen to me very carefully.
No, you
I'm
listen to me
charging you.
very carefully. For what? Look at
Stop.
this.
Stop
Look at my
resisting.
camera.
Sir,
Stop on my camera.
sir, stop it.
Ah!
I'm not messing around with you, sir.
You're kidding me.
This could have been really easy, but now you're going
Yeah. You got the biggest lawsuit you ever saw. Thank you. Ow, that hurts. Loosen it up.
Put your knee out in front of you. Put your knee out in front of you. And roll over, okay, on your knees. Alright, ready, good to go. You set? Good.
No, you hurt me.
Put your foot out in front of you. You alright? You ready? You ready? I'll give you a second, I'll give you a second. I just don't want you sitting in the street.
You put me there.
Well, I'm trying to get you out.
You put me here.
You ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh, these are really tight.
Alright, we'll fix it here in a second.
All right, listen.
Listen to me very carefully. You're pulling away from me again.
I'm not pulling
You
away
are.
from you.
Sir, please stop resisting me.
I'm not resisting you.
You are. I can feel you right now pulling away from me.
I'm trying. This hurts on my arm.
Can you cancel them?
No. No.
Can you grab this person?
Anyway, guys, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe, that notification button, and check out our partner channel, Boat Mania, for the best videos from all over Inlet in Miami. Thank you very much, and we'll see you on the next